How to fix YouTube Vanced buffering problem. So if you want to fix the YouTube Vanced buffering problem, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection, and then you need to press and hold on to that YouTube application. Go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, now you need to go with the permissions. Make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions, and then you need to go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache and also the clear storage. Delete. Once you've deleted the app data and once you've cleared all of the cache, now you need to go back and you need to turn on the notifications if you've toggled it off. Go with notifications and turn on the notifications. Once you've done that, you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store, anything, and then go with search, and under search you need to search for YouTube. Once you search for YouTube, now if you have any updates under your YouTube, you can simply go and update the application and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that and then you can restart your device, and after restarting and after updating, your problem will be fixed. But the buffering problem is mainly caused by the internet connection, so make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And if you're using your Wi-Fi, you can simply switch to your data, and if you're using your data, you can switch to your Wi-Fi, or you can simply turn on or turn off your network connection and then again connect to it, and your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.